Hi, and welcome to Mr. Garofolo's podcast. In today's episode, we are looking at creating quadratic equations. And first off, I'd like to alert you to a change to the homework problem number 1. This problem should say consecutive even integers, not odd integers. Please make that change so you're able to do that problem. Today I selected a problem from your homework to do. I'd like to look at number 6 with you. Gino has 2 sisters. One of his sisters is 7 years older than Gino, and the other sister is 3 years younger than Gino. The product of Gino's sisters' ages is 24. How old is Gino? So we're given a lot of information in this problem. So you'd want to organize our unknowns by using a let statement. Now, since they're comparing both of Gino's sisters to his age, Gino's age will be represented by x in this problem. Then we can use the comparisons to his age to write the other expressions. So one of the sisters is 7 years older than Gino. We could use x plus 7 to represent his older sister's age. And the other sister is 3 years younger. So we could subtract 3 from Gino's age to represent the younger sister's age. Then they go on to tell us that the product of his sister's ages is 24. Remember, the product means multiplying. So we're going to be multiplying two linear expressions. Remember, when this happens, the result will be a quadratic. That's why these problems result in quadratic equations today. So we're going to take his older sister's age, multiply it by his younger sister's age, and the result of that is 24. So x plus 7 times x minus 3 is equal to 24. You can use the distributive property to expand or write the product of these two binomials. X times x would be x squared. X times negative 3, negative 3x. 7 times x, 7x. And 7 times negative 3, negative 21. Okay, so you see we have a quadratic term here, x squared. But we also have some terms that can be combined. Right, we have our linear terms. And I see that I have a constant that we'd like to bring to the left side of the equation. So this would become x squared plus 4x. If you subtract 24 from both sides, this would be minus 45 is equal to 0. Now we're going to look to factor this expression into two binomials. We need a product of negative 45 and a sum of positive 4. The numbers that will work for that are 9 and negative 5. This would be x plus 9 times x minus 5. All right, the next step is a really important one in which many of us are neglecting or just flat out disregarding. Remember, the zero product property says that if two quantities being multiplied together have a result of 0, then either one of those two quantities must be equal to 0, or both are equal to 0. We want to reinforce that concept. So we're going to set both factors equal to 0. Either x plus 9 is equal to 0, or x plus 5 is equal to 0. This means that x is either equal to negative 9, or x is equal to positive 5. Remember, we're trying to find Gino's age. Gino's not going to have a negative value for his age. We will reject the negative and accept the positive solution. Gino is 5 years old. Well, I hope this was helpful. If you attack each of these problems in the same way, highlighting keywords, starting out with a let statement, developing the equation, from other key phrases in the problem, you should find some success. See you in class.